Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your fiscal year end on Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to change their fiscal year and make it perhaps in the middle of the year or whenever you want, just to keep better track of your financial statements. So be sure to stick around, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved within this video though, so let's go on and get it started. Now, once you log into your Wave apps account, this is what it's going to look like here. Now on the upper right hand side, you want to click on your business name and toggle down this button. The next thing that you're going to do is click on business settings. And then from this page here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to where it says dates and currency. So from dates and currency, you're going to see this option here that says fiscal year end, December 31st. So if you wanted to actually change this to November, for example, and we'll say November 21st, that is how you actually go ahead and do that, and then you would just click on save. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your fiscal year end on Wave apps. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.